Good morning, Team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake Up My Canal. So I talked about one of my videos. I don't know whether it was my vlog video or my beauty video. I talked about things that I do after the end of the month, after seeing my monthly cycle. So if you are a guy and you're not interested in knowing the lady part, disclaimer, please just swipe this video. This video is for girls talk, girl talk. So I talked about one of my videos and things that I do to clean myself after seeing my monthly cycles, because I mentioned on my video once, I can't remember which video, but I did mention my video once that I don't use anything to clean down there except soap. I don't put anything inwards or anything to clean. And even when I have my monthly cycles, I try my best to use the pads, but I use let me show you guys the one I'm using. This is Cartoon. I use this Cartoon. Oh, this is the one I use. It's Cartoon. It's 100% Cartoon. I got this from Cloves, I think for €3 or something. This is the one I always use. Either you have another brand that sell Cartoon and you have the Cloves brand that also sell Cartoon. I think the Cloves is €3 and the other brand is €4 or €5. Sometimes it depends on depend on my wallets, what I do have in my depends on what I want, what depends on what I want to give out. If I have extra, I'll buy the other brand, but if I'm like this month I'm a little bit crap, I'll just buy the Cloves brand. And sometimes when I go to Cloves, they do have discounts on the other brand and I'll buy those ones and I keep it. So yeah, it all depends, but I always use 100% Cartoon. So I'm just done with my monthly cycle. So now I want to show you guys things that I do. I do have different herbs in the kitchen that I normally boil and drink first thing in the morning, like especially on the last day. Like yesterday was the last day of my monthly cycle, so today I'm not bleeding, I don't have any blood, nothing coming out. So I do this like on the last day when I know, okay, I'm done, and then the next morning I start with the herbs that I'm using. I do this 3 times a day, 3 times 3 times a day, like once in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, and then I'm done for 3 times, and then I'm done taking this thing. And then I use it like if I want to drink tea, but I don't use it consistent like the way I do after seeing my monthly cycle. And I do this with different herbs. So today I'm going to try the Clove. I've been using, you guys know, if you guys are following me on my vlog channel or my beauty channel or hair channel, you guys know I talked about Clove a lot. I have different herbs. I have Clove, I have Negro pepper. I don't know if that's the English name, but in my country we have different name that we call it, but that's what I have. So I'm going to the kitchen and I'm going to boil some Clove. I also use Cloves to sometimes as mouthwash. I use Clove most of the time as mouthwash, and I also use Clove powder with toothpaste to clean my teeth. Also helps with my gum, because Clove is very good for the mouth. It's a very good herbs. So today I want to take you guys to the kitchen and show you guys how I cooked my Clove and boil the Clove, the tea, and then drink it. And then I'll go ahead and make the Clove toothpaste to brush my mouth, so that my gum, because sometimes you know how you have the gum pain. Thank God I've never had issue with any of my tooth or my teeth. I've never had any teeth problem. So yeah, and I always try to use as much as possible natural ingredients. So let's go to the kitchen. And just waking up, like really just waking up. Let's go to the kitchen and let me show you guys how I make this Clove tea. And if you guys hear noise in the background, please excuse the kids are awake. The kids are, everybody's downstairs, so noise downstairs, you're gonna hear the kids come like mama. So yeah, let's take all of these things. Let's go to the kitchen and let me show you guys how I do. Team Fullest, welcome. Put this, yeah. You guys can you guys hear my kids? Like, yo, these children, I'm trying to clean up this kitchen, and these kids are like trying to mess up things. Like, the dishwasher is empty. Like, oh God, have mercy. Like, I don't know. Like, if I allow the kids to make breakfast in the kitchen, and then like, I'm trying to clean things. I'm trying to make sure everything is organized. And these children of mine are trying to, like, the dishwasher is empty. So I don't know why they even have all the plates. I'm so mad right now. Like, I don't want to even get upset, but you know. Like, I'm trying to clean everything, trying to like get rid of dirty things in the kitchen, but these children of mine are trying to make mess. Primo, huh? Idrinka. Here, zet me deze in de keuken, in de woonkamer, op de eettafel. Okay? Alright, guys. My girls, they are... Okay, I'm trying to like clean here. Okay, because this week, what I'm going to do in the kitchen, I'm going to paint this area. Let me show you guys. I'm going to remove all those things and paint this area and put a new one that I purchased from the IKEA, because this one I can't really use it properly. So I'm going to I've already purchased the new one. I just need to paint the kitchen and clean it, paint and remove that one. I don't understand. I'm happy that they did not dirty the stove, because I'm about to, like, sometimes this is the reason why sometimes I like to make breakfast for the kids in the morning, but sometimes I allow my son to make breakfast for the little kids. Like, if I am in the kitchen is always clean. And when I make breakfast, I make sure I clean everything. But if any other person make breakfast in this kitchen, trust me, the kitchen will be a mess. Sometimes I wanna get upset, but then I'm like, no, let me not just get upset, because I'm not the one in the kitchen. Everybody's different when we come to the kitchen. So guys, now that yeah, I'm sorry, this video is like, it's gonna be a mini vlog, so you guys are just gonna see. So let's come down. Now that I have cleaned this, I have space, I'm going to get my pots. I'm gonna put water in it. I know the water is a lot, but I'm going to, this is for the whole day. So I'm gonna drink this right now in the morning, in the afternoon, and then in the evening. So what's wrong? Yeah. So I'm going to allow this to warm up. Let me take the clove. So as you guys can see, I do have a lot of clove home. Like, You guys see, I bought this from the local store. So I have my clove. I'm gonna blend this one because I also want to use it to do some. So you guys see, it's not that much. It's very spicy. This is very, very spicy. In my country, we use this one when we make ginger beer, and then we pour this in there. It's very, very spicy. I'm going to add a little bit more. You see that? So I'm going to put it in the water, and just add a little bit more. I'm going to put that in the water, and the remaining clove, I'm just going to boil it. I'm going to blend it. So this one, I'm going to allow this one to boil, and when it's done boiling, I'm just going to take my cup and drain it, and then drink the one I want to drink for today, and then for this morning, and then the remaining one keep it for later. So I have my teacup. AMIFULLEST. Yeah, you guys know. When I first started my channel, you know, I first started with Ami. That's my name. And no, my main channel has always been AMIFULLEST. But then I created my beauty channel, which I wanted to also name Ami. But then I was like, I started with Ami Makeup for Donkerheid. I have like different names. But then I was like, you know what? My main channel is AMIFULLEST. Let me just start everything with AMIFULLEST, and then that is where I changed my name to AMIFULLEST Beauty on my blog, on my beauty channel, and then on my blog channel I also changed it to AMIFULLEST Live Blog. So everything is AMIFULLEST. So this one, my wife made this one for me, because yeah, I have two names, but it's Ami and AMIFULLEST. But at the end of the day, I end up using AMIFULLEST for all the channels. So yeah. It's a little gift. I really loved it, so I'm going to be making that here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to allow the water, the clove to boil. When it's boiled, I will show you guys how I do it. Now I'm going to like tidy up this kitchen. I have some dirty laundries that I needed to wash. You guys have not seen my last vlog. I've got myself some washing dryer. I already have a washing machine, but I got a dryer. So yeah, it's very, very easy to wash clothes, to dry clothes. It has been so easy. I don't have clothes hanging in the living room anymore. Yeah, I'm so happy. So yeah, now I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Like I have like some dirty dishes that's standing, so I want to clean up a little bit, and then I'm going to blend the remaining clove, and then I will do a video show you guys how I use clove powder and toothpaste to whiten my teeth. So you guys can see how my teeth is looking. My lips a little bit dry, but yeah, I just wake up this morning, I haven't eaten anything. So yeah, so stay tuned for the finished results for the clove tea, and I'll be back. Team Fullest, heel erg bedankt. Cheers, Team Fullest. It is not the most delicious drink, but you know what? It's very, very good. So I'm just going to drink this morning. It's a cup full. It's very, very full. I can't show you guys, or else I'll pour it on the floor. Very spicy. Okay, excuse the crazy face expression, but I'm gonna. This is the reason why I don't like to come to the camera and show you guys how I drink this. But I gotta be real with you guys. So I'm gonna close my eyes and just. Normally I do like one go because it's very spicy. So excuse the crazy face expressions. Ugh. Ugh. I put something in my mouth. Honey. Put some honey. Oh. Ah. Ah. Whew. So guys, I finished it. One go. This is normally how I drink it. And just go. And sometimes I also use these herbs. And sometimes what I do as well, I will boil the clove, put it in a bucket and sit on top of it. I will not sit on the clove, but then the heat will penetrate the private area. It's very good. And sometimes I also use these herbs. This one. The English name is called Negro pepper. I don't know. That's how they call it. When I watch it on YouTube, that's how people call it. It has like a really black seed in it. It's also very good. It's also very, very bitter. So yeah. Simple as. This is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all in my next video. Look, I have to find something to eat before I throw up, because and now I'm going to brush my mouth. And yeah, thank you guys so much for your love, support, and I'll see you on my next video. Oh, my face is looking so weird because I have to take a shower. I haven't done anything this morning. So peace out.